What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video here in Wicked Garage. As you can see, we are continuing the aluminum stair build. So you can see in the last video we sort of left off in this point, and now we are going into the next steps. So what we're going to do is we are going to bolt all these on. We are going to V or cope out each piece of these on the one side, and that'll allow the handrail to sit in there nice and flush, or as flush as possible, without coping them to the radius. So once we get that done, these can get put onto these blocks right here that will be mounted, bolted, and we can tack those on. Then we can get the distance for the middle handrail and get these pretty much done and welded out. So stay tuned, guys. Obviously, if you like this content, if you like these videos, comment, like, subscribe, and let's get into it, guys. Alright, guys, as you can see, we got the railings all tacked up and the stairs all welded up. We're still going to weld underneath these stairs, and we still got to weld, clean up all these welds, weld the front and the back of each one, weld around the middle one and such. But you can see they're coming together. They look really nice. Pretty much simple plant stairs, that's all they are. When we get done with this, what we're going to do, you can see we have staining there, so we're going to actually get the Alumi-Bright, and hopefully that cleans everything up without scrubbing. It's all cleaned up and looking good. And then you can see we have these apart. These have to get finished up, these two handrails, so they have to get capped on the ends, and then same thing, welded front, back, around the middle one, and front, back on the brackets. But alright, guys, so you can see we finished up with the TIG, cleaning up the handrails and everything. They came out really good. We also added the mounting plates on the top of the stairs, and obviously we're going to drill the holes when we get to the job so we know exactly where everything has to line up, and then we're going to cut it to size on the job from the bottom as well. So you can see I used some acid wash, pretty much cleaned up most of the staining. There's still a little bit here and there. I tried multiple times. It's just in there too deep. I don't want to go crazy with it and let the acid eat too much of the aluminum, but looks pretty good. Very clean. Next time I will unwrap this and I won't leave it outside. Apparently water stains really bad on aluminum. All right, so we have the brackets pretty much marked out. Just have to drill those holes 3/8. We're making spacers for the back, as you can see. And these will go in here when we put the bolt in, and that'll just add some rigidity so it doesn't bend in the channel when you bolt it up and put some pressure on it. But other than that, we are almost set to go. Have a little cutoff just so I have enough in case I need anything else, another bracket or a spacer or something like that. So we'll see when we get there, but I'm gonna cut 11 more of those and then we're pretty much done. We can go and get this installed.